Welcome to NSE September 2021. We have a huge event coming up today, and we have 6 things to talk about today. So let's start off with number 1, which is Windows CE. We introduced CE 20 back in June, and we're currently on version 20.1, and today we're updating to 20.2. And Windows CE 20 is all about bringing back old things. And today, it's no exception, because today, we're going to be reintroducing that's right, we are reintroducing gadgets in Windows CE 20.2, and I'd like to give you a demo of it right now. So here we are on the desktop of Windows CE 20.2, and all I have to do is click on the very edge of the screen. Click right there, and as you can see, it loads up all of the gadgets there. So here we have a calendar gadget that's all about showing the date, time, and what events are coming up. As you can see, we have the neon vent, and we also have weather, a simple weather widget, and we also have a simple music widget, so let's play it. And it works perfectly fine there. And that was just a quick look at what the new gadgets are in Windows CE 20.2. So that was a quick little demo. And we also have our fruit themed screams of death. And we currently have lime and tangerine. We're adding blueberry and grape today. Here's the new blueberry screen. And here's the new grape screen. And that adds on to our total of 12 screens so far. Windows CE 20.2 will be available in late 2022. Number 2, HackOS. We're currently on HackOS 11 eggs, and we announced the HackOS 10 to HackOS 11 transition, and we're excited to say that's officially been complete. So HackOS 11 will be available in January 2022. So you might be wondering, what's next? Well, we want to continue on our food naming scheme. We're currently on HackOS eggs, and we decided to boil down the eggs and boil all the bugs and release HackOS boiled eggs. It's all about refinements this time. So let's talk about the file system in HackOS 11 or HackOS boiled eggs. We currently have CFS Plus, which is the cumbersome file system plus in HackOS 11. We're updating to NEFS, Neon File System, today. It's optimized for SSDs. It saves space and automatically resizes volumes to keep everything safe, save space, and makes it 2 times faster than before. It also now has crossover control, which means that you can move your mouse over to Windows CE along with CE 20.2 as well. So that's HackOS 11 HackOS boiled eggs. It'll be available in late 2022. Number 3 is Control Center. We announced Control Center Mini and Control Center SE back in July. And we have our 4 Control Center shortcuts, and today we're announcing the mid-range one, which is the replacement to Control Center Plus 3. And we're excited to introduce the next generation of Control Center Plus. Here it is. This is the new Control Center. Let's talk about the actions first. Currently, we're adding focus in Control Center and the new Control Center, along with low power mode, and bringing back super low power mode as well. And currently with Control Center Plus 3, we have 130 actions. Now we have 204 actions in the 4th generation Control Center. That's 1.5 times more actions than Plus 3. Even better, let's take a look at the history of the entire Control Center Plus lineup. You can see that Control Center Plus, the first generation, had 88 actions, plus 200, plus 330, and plus 4, and the fourth generation, 204. So that makes it 2.3 times more than the first gen. It has 2 times more than plus 2, and 1.5 times more than plus 3. So let's talk about the focus modes. We're adding a new one called Focus Pro, replacing Do Not Disturb Pro in plus 3. It's scheduled focus, which is first for Control Center Plus, and now it's Control Center. So now let's talk about the launch. It's going to be launching the same day that iOS 15 launches. You need iOS 15 in order to use this properly, and it's going to be launching the same day as iOS 15 launches. Same with the Mini and SE as well. And that means that we only have one more Control Center to go for. Number 4. Let's talk about the Xbox. We currently have the Xbox Series 3E that we redesigned, along with the Xbox Series 3 Mini that we redesigned back in June. And today we're announcing a new portable one with stick form factor, connectivity, better connectivity, and cellular. And we'd like to introduce it right now. This is the new Xbox Series 3 stick. So let's talk about the design of this. Obviously, it's a stick form factor. It has HDMI 2.1 along with Thunderbolt / USB 4 for power. It has an mmWave antenna and a reset button on the side. And yes, because it has mmWave, it has 5G, 4G LTE, 3G, and Edge. And you might be wondering, where is the SIM card slot? Well, it has an eSIM in favor of the SIM card slot. An eSIM is an electronic SIM. No need for a SIM card. You can set it up on your phone at the same line as your phone, and you can even make phone calls and texts from your console. So let's talk about the power of this thing. This thing has the Snapdragon 10CX processor with 4 gigs of RAM and up to 256 gigabytes of storage. And in terms of price, this thing is just $69. And we're lowering the price of the Series 3E to $39, making it the most affordable console in the world. And now, number 5. Let's talk about Neon Card. Neon Card is a new chapter for Neon. And let's go ahead and recap every feature and give you pricing as well. So it's 3.5-inch OLED LTPO display. Display is made of glass, sapphire, diamond, or ceramic diamond glass. As an always-on display, make payments just as fast as a regular credit card. It's the Neon Y1 SIP, a 8-megapixel camera, over-the-air charging, and it's made of aluminum, stainless steel, titanium, or 18-karat gold. So we have 3 versions: Neon Card Sport, Neon Card, and Neon Card Edition. Neon Card Sport is made out of aluminum and glass, and has a bunch of different color options. Neon Card is made out of titanium or it's made out of titanium or stainless steel, and it has either a ceramic diamond glass front or a sapphire front, depending on which one you pick. And Neon Card Edition has a diamond or ceramic diamond glass front or sapphire front, and it's made of 18-karat gold. And in terms of price, Neon Card Sport is $79, Neon Card is $199, and Neon Card Edition $49.99. And let's talk about the OS. The OS is now a new OS called Card OS, which is based off of Windows CE 20. And we have a new accessory that's included with every Neon card, and here it is. It's a wallet. It's a wallet, but because the Neon card is your wallet, this is more of like a case. And this case is pretty cool. It actually has sensors that communicate with the Neon card to enable an always-on display that shows you the time. And on the back, you can stash some cash in that compartment there. And it's $19 separately, but it's included with every Neon card. And it's color matched and material matched to your Neon card as well. So that is the Neon card, the next chapter for Neon. And now, number 6. We're announcing today another transition. We currently have 4 transitions. We had 4 transitions. The Control Center 3.0 transition, the macOS 10 to 11 transition, and two transitions that are going on right now, VVC transition and the Control Center 4.0 transition. And now today we're announcing the ARM V4, or ARM V8 to ARM V9 transition. And that will take place from 2021 to 2023. So ARM V9 will give us a 30% speed improvement over ARM V8.4. And all ARM V8 apps work on ARM V9 without any recompiling. And this transition is going to be starting very soon, because next month we're announcing the first ARM V9 processors and the first ARM V9 devices as well. And by January 2023, all devices will be on ARM V9. And so let's go ahead and talk about the other transitions. The Control Center 4.0 transition finished by the end of the year. The VVC transition finished by mid-2022. Third transition, ARM V9, finished by January 2023. And we're already on a head start. macOS Boiled Eggs, Windows CE 20.2, and the latest alpha of Project Ruby are all optimized for ARM V9. I'd like to give you a demo right now. In fact, the system that I showed you running, are the gadgets. We have a new feature in 20.2 that allows you to look at system specifications. So you can simply right-click about this device, and as you can see, we're on our Neon development platform, but if you click on each one of these options, it will give you more info about each one of those. And as you see, it's on ARM V9 right there. So that was just a quick little demo there, and we have a developer testing device. It's the Neon Bug form factor with quad-core ARM V9 CPU. It has 2 gigs of RAM that are unified memory, so it's much faster, and we're trying this out with ARM V9 devices. 32 gigs of storage and a quad-core ARM V9 GPU. So that's the ARM V9 transition. And that was it. Stay tuned for CPC, Computer Parts Conference, October 2nd, 2021, and a week later, NSC, October 9th, 2021.